Do you feel like your life has slowed down or you aren't doing as much as you should? Fear of missing out? I completely understand. Hi, I'm Sean. That's me. I'm a middle-aged guy who frequents being a weekend warrior for adventure. I want to share my passion for exploring and hopefully inspire others like yourself to seek out adventures themselves. I do believe there really is beauty all around us. It just depends on where you're looking. I enjoy editing, filmmaking, videography, and exploring as my hobbies. I like making hiking videos and trail reviews as part of my adventures to give a taste to others what I'm experiencing to hopefully inspire for them to go out and create their own unique adventures. Sometimes I talk to the camera, like here, but most of the time I don't, and let you take in the sights without interruption. This channel was originally started to share my experiences with friends and families scattered throughout the world, but now has turned into a fun passion. I also love lacrosse, beer, live music, and travel a good amount for both pleasure and work. I currently utilize my basic equipment to try and create relaxing videos that display exciting opportunities for you to feel motivated to experience something similar near your location. Whether this be using a camera gimbal to get smooth shots walking down trail, my drone to show another perspective of landscape, or simply showing scale by trying to capture size and power. I believe if you can do a combination correctly, you should hopefully take away a relaxing and inspiring experience that anyone can accomplish. You just have to get out there and do it. Occasionally I hike with my friends, but almost all the time my pet boxer and travel companion, Gus, is along for the adventure with me. Gus and I have lived in Maryland, Colorado, Montana, and South Carolina, so we go back and visit friends to explore frequently. If you would like to see a guide try and experience life to the max, you've come to the right place. If this is up your alley, we hope you subscribe and stay in touch so we can share our adventures together. Gus and I look forward to seeing you soon on the next one.